Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to turn on Wi-Fi on LG Smart TV. Wi-Fi is turned off. Now, if you have this problem, you just need open your settings, okay, with your control. Can you see your settings button? Okay, touch here and in the word, okay, this symbol is like a word. In my TV example now, okay, you need search your red and open this and connect your Wi-Fi. You cannot find a button like enable Wi-Fi or disable Wi-Fi. No. You just need open your red, okay, connection Wi-Fi, open your red and select your red and put your password, and this is all, okay. If you want connect your or open your Wi-Fi, you just need make this, and this is all, okay. And this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English. Have a good day and see you later.